At last, a chance to do the videography of Mississauga from the floor 31st. Thanks to Shahid and his son Arman, who by chance met me, and they were also shifting their stuff up, and our guys could help them. And indeed, I got the opportunity to come to their floor and have a good bird's eye view of the entire Mississauga, the distant Lake Ontario. It's cloudy, overcast day, but still having a peep at the entire town, rather the entire city, is very lucky for me. I'm indeed very thrilled to have this view. Those distant towers of the square one, and these towers which have been blocking my view all these days are no longer blocking my view. The view from 3115 from the flat of Shahid.